what's going on, everybody? Dad Buttsies in here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, awesome day. We're gonna go out to a car event. But last night, if you guys were in our live stream on TikTok, we watched the Mustang. Well, it rained, so kind of counterproductive there. But like normal, we're a little late, so we got to get things on the road. So starting off, fire up the Mustang, and then we'll get to the good side. Just kidding, this is the good part. This is one of the good parts. See, this thing never wants to work for me. There she is. Now you see, the wife is inside. She's getting like everything ready. Like she's waking up, you know, everything's going in slow motion for her right now. Kind of deal. Yeah, it happens. She's not a morning person. I guess I am. I don't really know. I just get up and go. I don't know. Let's speed up the process a little bit. Let's make sure she's really awake. And when we started this thing, we got like T-minus like 3 minutes, so we gotta roll. But give her a shot. Good morning, beautiful. So like usual, gotta make a stop to get some gas, but looking good, looking good. And the star of the show is awake now, and she is excited. Say hi, everybody. Take your thumb out of your mouth. Say hi. Loud. Really loud.
Hi.
Slow morning. But we're getting there. I got my 7 gallons for $40. But yeah, we'll be rolling out here very, very soon. Alrighty, time to get on the road. Oh, fellas, you know, when you see a bridge, you kind of have to do it. You kind of have to. So like I see it, I'm like, hey, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. 7:02 actually. I probably shouldn't do it. I should probably let everybody sleep. But then enter me is like, dude, let her rip, Tater Chip. And it's like, we're already here and you gotta keep the kids happy. Woo! Someone in front of me, so I can't really rip skidipski on it. But old girl's she's got a little pep in her step this morning. Oh, they pulled over. We're pulling up. Alrighty, fellas, we made it. We're here early, but it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day today. R8 Super Ligera. Oh, it's a twin turbo. It's a twin turbo Gallardo. Check this one out. So it looks good. This is a nice C7 right here. You like the cars? All right, fellas, so haven't been recording that much because we've been talking to a lot of people and everything like that. Let me sit in the car, rev it up, have a good time. Got some R8s came through, Supra. I want to look at this bad boy over here, though. This thing is absolutely insane. Thing looks crazy. All the chains. It's so cool. Big boy. Detroit diesel. Pretty sick. Pretty sick if you ask me. And then check this bad boy out right here. So we're on our way back home. Event was great. Thank you, Jack, for inviting everybody out, and it was a great time. Ended up being a really, really good time. The weather held off. It rained in the morning on the way there, but when we were there, it was perfect. It wasn't hot. It was overcast. It was really nice. A lot of awesome trucks there. Some cool cars as well. Just great turnout. Great turnout, and it's very family friendly, which is awesome because we brought the daughter. But now it's time to get on home, listen to her rip a little bit. Red light, little. The shifts, baby. The shifts. That fuel cut is crazy. Absolutely nuts. Put it back in the manual. Downshift. It's like when you shift over 4,000, and that's when it like whales it. I love this thing. Absolutely love it. What can I say, fellas? AWE makes a exhaust. Let me tell you. It's in the middle of the street. This is why I can't do city life. I can't do it. I just can't. Because, like, people just don't care. Like, they just do whatever they want in the city. And it makes no sense. And people drive like absolute banshees. It's nuts. And, like, every car in the city all has scratches, dents, whatever. And that just goes to show, like, oh, they don't care. So, like, their cars are halfway destroyed already. So it doesn't matter if they hit somebody else. Oh, I can't do it. I can't deal with it. And like Lancaster isn't even like a big city. It's not like a Philly or a Baltimore or anything like that. Like it's a little guy, but jeez, man, people just. Can someone please tell me what this license plate right here says? I'm pretty sure it's meant to say Love CDC, but from a distance, the C looks like an O. Yeah. Bad take, buddy. Bad take. Had to make a quick pit stop. I had to pee so bad, my eyes are turning yellow. But they do look good together. I tell you what. Woo. Nervous pulling up here. Made it. Alrighty, fellas, so we're back. We made it home. But now we're getting ready to run out again. Like I said, today's my birthday, so it's also my aunt's birthday. So we're gonna go say hi to her and everything like that. Just gonna take the car out and we're gonna get some few pictures and some clips along the way. And yeah, it's just part of the life when you do this stuff for a living. It's great. It's great, but it's fun. Time to let it rip. Alrighty fellas, well like usual, I completely forgot to film an outro, so here you go. It was a great day, we all had a great time, but because you stayed in the video this long, I'm gonna get a little sneaky peek, because something is here right now, and that's the new wheels. Oh, look at them, 3, 2, 1. Oh. You knew better.